What's going on, everybody? My name is Richard, and today I'm going to show you how to run your wires through an existing wall using cable bit tools. More specifically, we'll be using Eagle Tool US cable bits as well as a number of their accessories that are really going to make this job easy. Now, a few things we're going to need for this project are your measuring tape, safety glasses, power drill, cable bit for wood. I recommend either an auger style or a screw point. Today we'll be using a screw point bit, lighted bullnose tip or a standard bullnose tipped fish rod, hook tip, 2 fish rods, and some good quality string. Now for this job, we're using a 9/16 by 54 inch screw point style cable bit. It has ultra sharp threads which provides better pulling power and faster drilling speeds. But for starters, we have a bare wall here. It's been stripped of its insulation. It has no wiring and plumbing in it, which is very important. You never want to drill into any sort of wall that has wiring or plumbing already in it.
We've also intentionally left the wall open so that we can see exactly what's happening behind the scenes.
The first thing that we'll want to do is measure from the top of the wall down to the opening you will be pulling the wire through, so you know when you will be clearing the top plate. This is to make sure you do not drill through the roof and to let you know if you are hitting the rafter. Rafters are not always in the same place as the wall studs. Make sure you're using a drill bit and extension long enough to reach, and then mark your drill bit with a piece of tape so you will know when you should be breaking through the top plate. So for us, that's going to be right about here. Now, if the wall is insulated, you'll want to make sure that you make a slit in your insulation and you get the bit all the way through the insulation to the back of the wall before starting your power drill. First thing that we'll do is add the switch bit hex adapter to the extension rod. Slides over as such, and then we'll tighten it. Now we simply attach this to our power drill and we're ready to go. Start your drill bit into the wall and aim it in the back corner where the stud meets the wall. Once we've got it positioned in the back of the wall, use the walking ability of the drill bit to walk it up the corner by giving it short bursts of rotation with your power drill. Drilling into a corner will allow you to easily locate the hole with your fish rods, and it will minimize problems with encountering insulation. When you reach the fire block, gently push the shank into the opening in the direction of the back corner. This will straighten out the bit so it will drill directly through the obstruction and not veer off course. Keep in mind that these bits are not indestructible, so try and keep your power drill as close to the floor as possible. Now we'll just want to keep walking it up until we reach the top plate. Typically you will be drilling through 2 2x4s to get through the top plate and into the attic. However, in this example we only have 1, in which case you'll want to reverse the auger about halfway through to bring out a lot of those loose wood chips and make drilling the rest of the way through that much easier. This will also keep your drill bit from snapping and getting lost in the wall. Always remember to clear chips by reversing the rotation of the power drill when drilling depths of more than 2 inches or when drilling through hard woods. Listen closely to your power drill and at any sign of binding, stop and reverse it to clear the chips. Continue drilling through after clearing the chips. Reversing the rotation of the drill will make it easy to remove from the wall. Congratulations, you have your hole through to the attic. Now it's time to run your wire. Thread a good quality string line through a bullnose tipped fish rod or a lighted bullnose tip connected to a fish rod. Run the fish rod and string line up through the hole in the fire block and then through the hole to the attic. In this example, we're using 2 fish rods connected to accommodate the distance up to the attic and a lighted bullnose tip. Use the light to guide you in the attic. Snag the line with a hook tip mounted on another fish rod. Pull the line towards you. Securely attach your wire or cable to the string at either the opening or in the attic. With a helper feeding the wire or cable at one end, pull the string from the other end.
And that's it, folks. I truly hope this was helpful. Please reach out anytime with any questions or concerns, and as always, have a wonderful day.